Hello, this is Tom from Stafford Audi, and today I'll be taking you around this approved used Audi Q5 Sportback S-line 40 TDI Quattro S-Tronic. This particular model comes in the stunning Navara blue metallic paintwork and looks super sporty and stylish from every angle. This being the S-line, you do get the matte grey additions to the front and rear bumpers and side skirts, as well as the window surrounds and roof rails. From the 2-litre diesel engine you get 201 brake horsepower and 400 Newton meters of torque. On the front we have these fabulous matrix LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, giving you maximum visibility regardless of weather condition. And on all four corners, these 19-inch 5 twin-arm star design alloy wheels finished in silver, offering a lovely contrast to that blue metallic paintwork and tying in really nicely with the before mentioned S-line styling package. The electrically operated tailgate can be opened with a touch of a button, so you don't have to worry if your hands are super full, and this reveals plenty of space for your everyday essentials, including your weekend away luggage or weekly family shop. The interior is finished in part leather, part Alcantara for maximum luxury, with more of the matte grey and silver on the door handles. The rear passengers get access to a centre armrest as well as tri-zone climate control, so the rear passengers can set a different temperature to those in the front. Both outer seats are also fitted with Isofix points, so you can safely and securely travel up to 2 child seats in the rear of the vehicle. In the front we have the S-line leather multifunction steering wheel with the Audi virtual cockpit behind, central touchscreen display and dual zone climate control. Both front seats are sport seats with the S badge embossed in at the top, and they are manually adjustable with 4-way electric lumbar support, so finding your perfect driving position has never been easier. The virtual cockpit can be configured to your preference using the left side of the multifunction controls. On the right is your volume and voice control, so it's mid-journey phone calls, and underneath to the left your cruise control and speed limiter for those longer motorway journeys. From the central touchscreen display you can access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, as well as DAB and FM radio stations or simply navigation, keeping you seamlessly connected so you never miss a notification or turning. Under the climate control we have the Audi Drive Select, giving you maximum control of the overall feel and drive of the vehicle, as well as the Park Assist button, which brings up the front and rear sensors and rear camera to make parking all the easier. Also fitted, you can change the entertainment fader and how loud or quiet you want the sensors. With the dual zone climate control, both driver and passenger be at different temperatures, so you can synchronise all three if you're in the car on your own. Both front seats have 3 levels of heat, so they're perfect for those cold winter mornings. Thank you for watching this presentation on the approved used Audi Q5 at Stafford Audi. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact our sales team.